The dream of digital art. Until it comes time to finance it. Today I get to review from Symbian's their PicassoTab, a tablet and pen combo. So what do? You get a tablet and a pen. Pretty simple. What you get inside when you start messing around with it is a tablet that's going to allow you to draw on it. This budget device comes in at $200. Its closest real competitor that I have found that is a screen active all-in-one device is going to run you starting out about $430 to have the tablet and stylus. What are you getting for $200? You're getting a 2 GB, 32 GB of storage device. The stylus is active, which means that you have to put a battery in it, and it's one of those really funny looking like AAA batteries that went on a diet. It's quadruple A battery. Now, you also have to turn on your Bluetooth for it to get all the features out of it possible. There's some pressure sensitivity I could see, and you get a standard line width. Who does the company market these to? Well, they're saying that they're marketing it to the students, to beginners, to people who are just starting out. And while I definitely believe that this is a great starting point, I think that they missed the mark because they can actually broaden their selling. Because at $200, this would be a great device for any professional who doesn't want to take their professional grade device out into the heat, the cold, just basically the elements. You can take out this budget device that has got a very nice drawing application. It comes already with Sketchbook Pro built into it. You don't even have to download it. You can just turn it on, skip through all the load up, and go right to drawing if you want to. Because this is an Android device, it does give you the option to go into the App Store there, the Android Play Store, and get other things. So not only are you going to be able to draw on this device, I watched an episode of my favorite show, you can also download books, games, apps. It is an Android device. It's running Nougat 7.0, so you can do what you would do on any other tablet. I really think that if you're looking to step into a tablet, that you owe it to yourself to at least review the Symbian's PicassoTab and take a look at what it has to offer. Again, watch the rest of the drawing here, and this is what you can create on here. I'll do another video with another drawing soon and put that up as well. Here's the final product. Again, I really enjoyed getting to draw with this device. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you, folks. Bye.